Now we are starting with our next question. So question number 6. So question number 6 is find the radius of sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeter square. So we have to find the radius of sphere. We have to find it, and the surface area of sphere is given, that is 154 centimeter square. So what is the formula for surface area of sphere? It is 4 pi r square. So we already know that it is formed from 4 cones, so it is 4 pi r square. So that is equals to 154, and this 4 into the value of pi is 22.7 into r square is equals to 154. So this 7, so 7 is in denominator, on other side it will become your numerator, and this 4 and 22 are your in numerator, this will become denominator in other side. So on cutting, what will you obtain? 11 to the 22, 11 1 the 11, 11 4 the 14. So this is your 2 1 the 2, 2 7 the 14. So r square will become 7 into 7 divided by 4. So this square will become square root on other side, so r will become square root of 7 into 7 is 49 divided by 4. So what is the square root of this 49? 49 can be written as 7 into 7, and this 4 can be written as 2 into 2. So one pair will come outside, so this will become 7 divided by, in denominator it will become 2. So 7 upon 2 centimeter is your radius, or on dividing you can also write it as 3.5 centimeter is your radius. So it will become, your radius will become, that is 7 upon 2 centimeter. That is your required answer. So next question is, the diameter of moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of earth. So the diameter of moon is 1/4 of the diameter of earth. Then we can write diameter of moon, diameter of moon is equals to 1/4 of diameter of earth. Find the ratio of the surface area. So we have to find the ratio of their surface area. So what will be their surface area? So if diameter of moon is radius divided by 2, so it means radius of moon divided by 2 is equals to 1 upon 4. This diameter of earth will become, diameter can be written as radius of earth, so radius is half of the diameter. So what will we obtain? The radius of moon is equals to, this 2 will multiply on other side, this is in division, that will multiply on other side, so r earth divided by 2. So we will obtain the radius of moon to be radius of earth divided by 4. So we have to calculate the ratio of their surface area. So surface area of, so we have to calculate the ratio. So here the surface area of earth, of moon divided by surface area of earth. So we will use, that is 4 pi radius, so use this radius of moon, 4 pi r square divided by 4 pi radius of earth. So we know that radius of moon can be written as radius of earth divided by this 4. So how we can write this? So we can write this 4 pi will cancel, we will form the radius square of moon divided by radius square of earth. So what you can write here, you can write the radius square of moon, so you can square this side, radius of earth square, and square of this 4 is 16. So you can put the value of radius square moon to be radius square earth divided by 16 into radius square of earth. So this earth will cancel, and you will obtain the ratio to be 1:16. So 1:16 is your required answer. So you will put the value of radius to be 1/4 and it will become 1/6, and this radius will cancel and you will obtain the value to be 1/16. So next question is, the hemispherical ball made up of steel that is 0.25 centimeter thick. So it is 0.25 centimeter thick as shown in this figure. So this figure is given, that is this is your thickness of this hemispherical ball. The inner radius of the ball is 5 centimeter. This is your radius, that is 5 centimeter. So it means the total radius of this hemisphere will become, your inner radius plus this thickness. You will add this thickness. So what is your inner radius? Inner radius is your 5 centimeter and your thickness is 0.25. So you will form, inner radius is 5 and 0.25. So you will form 5.25 centimeter to be the total radius of this hemispherical ball. Now you have to calculate the curved surface area. So here the given, you have to calculate outer curved surface area. So curved surface area of hemisphere is, so we know that the formula for the curved surface area of hemisphere, total surface area is 3 pi r square and curved surface area is 2 pi r square. So we will put the value of this r to be 5.25. Square means it is multiplied 2 times. So on dividing you will obtain 0.75. So on solving, what will you obtain? You will obtain the value to be 173.25 centimeter square. 173.25 centimeter square. So you can multiply this and you will obtain the required curved surface area of hemisphere to be 173.25 centimeter square.